Annyeonghaseyo, this is Sherwin from Manila, Philippines, and welcome to my introduction video for the 2024 K-Influencer Academy. This marks my fourth year with the program since I started in 2021, and it has been an incredible journey of growth and passion with the love for Korea. Last year, I was honored to be part of the top 40 overseas winners for the K-Star Influencer. I also achieved the top place as top outstanding participant for the mentoring program together with Nico Sunmi from Sri Lanka. This year, I'm excited to continue sharing stories about Korea and sharing it with you. I want to express my gratitude to the K Influencer Academy for coming up with this program wherein we can share our love and passion for Korea in a wider audience globally.